Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add weights to products in Shopify. Now let's say you've opened up Shopify account and now you want to add weights. Is it going to be in kilogram? Which unit system are you using? What will be the default weight unit? So when you do all that, first thing you have to do is log into www.shopify.com and from there put in your credentials if you're already signed in, and you will go to this particular page. And once you are here, which is the home page, you click on general, make sure it's on general. Then on the right hand side here you can see unit system and default weight unit. So change the unit system, the one you want. You can use imperial or metric. So if you're using imperial, it will be in pounds. If you're using metric, it will be in kilogram. So once you change that, then change the default weight to be kilogram or gram default. So that's it. That is how to add weight to products in Shopify. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.